Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited to be sharing this with you all, and I will be guest designing for the month for Scrapdiva Designs. Erica asked me, and of course I accepted because if you know me, I absolutely love working with dies, and I have a lot of them and I just can't get enough of them, to be honest with you. And these are designs, they're very unique. I love them. And it's stuff that I don't have in my stash, so that is a plus for me. So like I said, so it is Erica. She is Scrapdiva 29 here on YouTube. You can also check her out on Instagram. Here is all of her social media and of course her website, but of course I will have all of this information in the description box, and I will also have a direct link to each die that I'm sharing with you in the order as you're seeing it. All right, so let's get started. So the very first one I'm going to share with you is this one that is called Ladybug Shaker, and you can see, you guys, it's a really good size and I love her packaging. I am really happy that she has this packaging with her logo, and that is what the back looks like. Very professional, you guys. I love it. Now the second one is called Stitch Layer Butterflies, and look at these, you guys. And here is what the back looks like. So there are more dies in the back. That's why I turned the other one over too, just so you can see what the whole entire set looks like. So this is a really good size, and this I'm actually going to start working with. I think it's my first time ever working with Maggie Holmes' Garden Party, and that one actually has, it has quite a bit of butterflies in the collection, so this die is perfect for that. This one is called Pinwheel, and that's what that looks like. Super cute. Now this one is another pinwheel, but this one is called Shabby Pin Wheel, and you can see that the edge, it has like this really nice lacy edge to it, border, and of course there is the layering piece. Love that. I love when dies come with the layering piece. I love that. Now this, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this, you guys. This is an apron. It's a stamp and die set. As you can see, this one is called Apron Die Stamp Set. And here is what that looks like, and you can see all of these stamps. Today's menu, take it or leave it. That's just, live, love, bake, baking sweet memories, sprinkled with love, baking is love, making edibles, queen of the kitchen, stuffed with sugar, wrap it with love, love at first bite, and baked with love and care. I love it, and I'm not sure if you can layer this on top of this, but either way, there is the really girly apron, and then of course the much more simpler one. And oh my god, this is so cute. You can use these as tags and as an embellishment to your card. And also here is this one, you guys. Look at this one. Now this is a really good size. I don't have anything like this, so it'll be very fun to work with this, and this would go along very well, I think, with this apron set. And this one is called Kitchen Utensils. You can see you get a lot of pieces in there, you guys. A lot of pieces, a lot of kitchenware, stuff that you find in your kitchen. Now this, oh my gosh, I haven't seen anything like this, you guys. These are those charcuterie boards. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. So this one is the round charcuterie board, and this is just called charcuterie board. So here's what it looks like. Now the biggest size, as you can see, it does come with a layering piece, so of course I'm pretty sure that we can probably make that into a shaker. But also you can use these as cutting boards. You can use these as, oh my gosh, so many other options that you have just decorating them. and you can even make banners out of these. That would be pretty cool. And here is what that other one looks like. You can see how, like I mentioned, the longer one, I mean the largest piece does have that layering piece. So I'm pretty sure you could probably make it into a shaker. We'll see. Okay, so the next die is the Spring Easter borders. Oh my gosh, it comes with a lot of borders. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different borders, and look at that. I know that Easter is over, but you still have the option of using all of these other ones, you guys. Look at that. Lots and lots of borders, and I love that it has a butterfly one. That is pretty cool. Look at this one, you guys. Now this is really cool, and as you can see, it's really big. This is to make a mini album, a butterfly mini album. And actually, yeah, that's what it's called. It's called a butterfly mini album, and it's a really good size. And look at that. So it has that really you know, the butterfly, the larger one, and then the smaller one. So 2 different sizes, and this is to use for the spine of your mini album, but of course you can also make cards. Oh, and each of these pieces comes with a layering piece, so you can definitely make it into a shaker. Oh my gosh, I love shakers, you guys. I don't love making them, but I love shakers, but I still make them. And this one, you guys, oh my gosh, and this is a pretty large size. I was impressed with the size of it, and when I first got it, I was like, what? This must be something extremely new. Haven't seen it at all. And this one is called File Card Storage Box, and it looks like a really good size, you guys. So just this right here, let me give you the dimensions, because I was like, wow. So I'm gonna do from the top to the bottom. So it's about what, 5, let's say 5 1/4 by, not the layering piece, 5 1/4 by 5, about, roughly. I don't know if the website has the dimensions or not, but oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. I love it. And there is the other side. So it has, like, you know, the both sides, the left and the right, and then it even comes with two phrases. This one says, craft like no one is watching, and this one says, you're the best crafty friend. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to play with this, you guys. And last but not least, here is this one, you guys. These are like little banners, and you can use them to place sentiments. And guess what, you guys, it also comes with a layering piece if you wanted to use them. And I actually started to cut some out, and what I like is that I didn't separate the metals. I actually used them as is to make the process go a lot faster. So you can see right there that just with one pass I did the front and the layering piece. And no, actually this is the front and this is the backing. So just with one pass. So really quickly, just to show you kind of what they look like. So here are this. So the backing has the stitching, as you can see right there, and then these don't have the stitching. And then I think, my opinion, you can just mix and match these however you like. Look at that, just an example, you guys, just really quickly. And as you can see that I didn't have to run it through my machine that many times, because since I didn't separate them, and I prefer it this way, that way I can just cut out a bunch of them at once. All right, so that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Erica, for asking me to be part of your guest design team for the month. And everyone else, please check the description box for her social medias and for her online store and for links to each of these dies. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.